Greetings everyone, I'm Destilliax, and this marks my first origami instruction video. And also, I'm officially on summer break. Yay! So I like origami, and so I thought I would do instructional videos because, I know a lot of different things to make. So for my first one, I'll be showing a pretty simple one, but it's also very popular. It is the flapping crane. As you can see, it's just like a little bird, and then if you hold it here at its feet things and then hold its tail, if you pull the tail, it flaps. First, what you'll want is some square paper. Now I have my own special kind of paper for this, but if you want, you can get a regular piece of paper and then just fold it in half and then cut off the extra. Not fold it in half, fold it diagonally and then cut off the extra, and that'll give you a square. Okay, so first what you want to do is take it and fold it corner to corner with the white side out. If you're using colored paper, you want the white side to go out first. And then you do corner to corner on this side. Then, now that you have your 4 creases, take it and push them in so that you make your own creases on the sides here. Then push it down, turn it, and then make the creases on those sides, if it'll cooperate. Okay, so now that you've got, this is called a water bomb base, at least in my book it is. Now that you got your water bomb base, flip it over so that it looks like this. It's got the open side and then a closed side. This is called a preliminary base. And so now that you have your preliminary base, you want to take these and fold them up so that you close off the open space. See, this is the open, and so you just fold it and make a triangle basically. Then you just do that to all the other flaps. So then it'll look like this. To you it'll look like this when you got it ready. So then I'll turn it over and do the same thing again. And then it has that. Now once you have your triangle trapezoid kite looking thing, you just take this and do a minor crease. You don't want to crease it all the way. I mean, you can. It doesn't really make a difference, but I don't usually crease it all the way. Then once you have that, you open up the triangles, or you open up the flaps, then you'll see this triangle, and what you do is you take the space, take the flap, open it up, and then fold along those lines. And then flatten it out. So it'll look like this once it's done. It'll have a little, it can go up and down, and it still has that. Then you just do the same thing to the other side. And I'll do this one facing the camera so it's easier. Take it and fold it. There's a line right here from the crease when I folded it over earlier. So just use that as a guide for the corners. Okay. Now that you have this, you can just flip them up. Take the flaps and open them up. And once you have that, just take these, which will be the wings, put them up, and that way it'll look like this. And once you have this triangle, you want to grab one of these, the inside pieces, and pull it out to however you want it. It'll be the tail. It'll either be the tail or the head. So then pull it out and do the same thing to the side. Pull it out to however far you want. I'll leave it up a little bit since I'll make that the head. Now to make the head, grab it and kind of fold it in. And then pinch it. Now that you got it, that'll be the head. And now it's looking pretty good. All you want to do now is kind of curl the wings some because they need help to open up on their own, because they need help or else it'll mess up and could tear. Then pull the tail. And there you go, you have your flapping bird. So if you like this video, let me know. I'll keep making more because I like making origami. And I'll see you in the next one.